It all started as a routine traffic stop for expired license plates and speeding. But things quickly escalated when Luke's refused to comply, responding to every police request with a firm no.
Hello.
Hi.
Let's go and pull in this parking lot. That sound good? Okay.
No.
What's that?
Why?
I got you going 43 and a 25. What's that? What's no? And your plates are expired. Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you?
No.
Okay. Where's your driver's license at?
Nope.
No. Okay. All right. Go and put the car in park.
Instead of complying with the officers, Mayor Lukes rolled her window up and pressed the accelerator, leading the officers on a 30-second chase that reached speeds of up to 65 miles per hour.
I had a car taken off northbound Pearl Park. Speed's around 65. And she made a right-hand turn on the burger and crashed into a truck right in the parking lot.
The pursuit came to a halt when Lukes lost control and crashed into a tow truck in a parking lot, creating a dramatic and abrupt end to the chase.
All right, get out. Get out.
Wait.
Get out.
I will.
Get up. Get out.
I will.
Turn around. Turn around.
All right.
Turn around. Turn around.
Yep.
Are you hurt?
Yes.
Even after being pulled from her car, Lux refused to cooperate, repeatedly demanding her belongings and insisting the police were in the wrong. She even tried to leverage her past authority, stating, "I was the mayor of North Royalton."
My stuff is in my car.
I got you.
No. My stuff is in my car.
Are you hurt?
Yes.
What's hurting?
Everything. 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 My stuff is in my
550.
car.
Go ahead.
My stuff. My
Go
wallet,
750 for the people.
my everything is in my car.
And I could park tow truck over here. Get
No.
up there.
Are you at Ridge and
No. What? No. What you're doing is wrong.
No, it's Pearl Burger.
What you're doing
Just
is
over the
wrong.
bridge of Pearl. Get up there. Have a seat.
All right, now go Cleveland.
What you're doing is wrong.
Thank you. Okay, have a seat. Come on.
What you're doing is wrong.
Come on.
I want my stuff.
I will. Get up there. Have a seat. Come on.
No, I want my stuff.
No, we gotta get up here. That's not how it works. Come on.
Listen. Let me
Have a
tell
seat.
you.
No.
No. Let me tell you.
Put your
how
foot
it
up there
works.
and sit up.
No. Let me tell you.
That's how it works.
I was the mayor of the city of North Royalton.
Okay.
I have been so abused by
On the court day, she faced multiple charges: operating a vehicle while intoxicated, speeding possession of an open container of alcohol in a vehicle, driving with expired license plates, non-compliance with law enforcement, and no plea was entered. The mayor had done this wrong this time, but the mayor under her authority made it even worse when she thought she was above the law and acted aggressively when being arrested.
I am absolutely out of my mind.
That was what happened with Rebecca Daugherty, once a respected Portage County judge, who was arrested after driving her SUV into a ditch on a snowy night. When officers arrived, they noticed vomit in the door. Daugherty admitted she had been drinking at a local bar called Rico.
Hello?
What?
Hello? Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
What's going on? Do you know what happened?
Yeah.
Okay, what happened?
We were off the road and
Ma'am, you've got vomit down here on your door.
300 deal.
Have you been drinking?
yes.
Okay.
Her emotion escalated when the officer announced that she would be taken into custody, which meant she would later be charged with her crime.
Kidding me?
Am I kidding about what?
I am absolutely out of my mind with
You're intoxicated.
I am so intoxicated, but
You crashed your vehicle. I just made sure to take photographs of everything. We wanted to make sure that your vehicle is secure.
no, but
We're making
seriously?
sure your vehicle is secured before we leave here.
Although visibly impaired, Doherty exercised her right to refuse a breathalyzer test,
What else
which
did you
triggered
concern?
an automatic suspension of her driver's license. Doherty requested to call Major Larry Limbert from the Portage County Sheriff's Office, trying to use her influence, but it didn't work out.
I'm gonna have you stand right here for a second, okay? Because I still need to do this test. Where do you feel? You gonna be okay on your feet there? You want here? No.
no.
Right there.
No.
No. Driver's signature. Right there is where you need to sign. You signed in the wrong spot the last paperwork. We're trying to correct it here.
I'm not going to correct anything. I'm the witness.
Okay, you're not a witness. Okay, we're just going to put refuse to sign.
That.
I've got your signature on the other one, so it's clear that I read it to you. You just signed in the wrong place.
No. That's not how it works.
Doherty publicly apologized after
That
the
was
incident,
recorded on body cam.
acknowledging her wrongdoing and expressing regret for her actions.
I have felt so blessed to be in a position of trust, and I regret that I violated that trust. I have dedicated my career to upholding the law and trying to make a positive difference in the world. Unfortunately, I am human and have made a terrible error in judgment that I must accept both the responsibility and the punishment for. Today, I pled guilty to the charge of operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol in Kent Municipal Court. As a judge, I make decisions every day that I pray will be most thoughtful and fair for all concerned. I am humbled by and will learn from this experience and am confident that it will make me a better judge and resident of our community.
Finally, she was charged with operating a vehicle under the influence refusal to submit to a breathalyzer test. In the next case, Sel Hancock, a respected Yavapai County judge, had her career come crashing down after tripling her breathalyzer test in a drunk driving incident. On March 19th, 2023.
So I think your signs and symptoms are above the legal limit.
Okay.
Okay, the
Like,
legal limit.
you know I'm a judge here.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay. For the Yavapai County?
Yeah. But I don't want to use that. I don't want to use it. I don't.
I
just
don't.
told them I'm a judge here. So
Oh, okay. Well, I apologize. I've never met you.
it's good that you never. No, I'm sorry. I f***ed up. I f***ed up before.
Hancock was spotted stumbling out of a grocery store before driving away. This triggered a concerned citizen to report her, leading the police to stop her near a Safeway in Prescott.
When she tried to get around I have towing mirrors for a pickup truck. She tried to get around my mirrors and she almost rolled off of her vehicle and took a few steps to kind of find her balance. She stood there for 5-10 seconds and then started to walk into the store, and it just didn't seem.
Yes.
And you're walking around, stumbling, and you got back in your vehicle,
Because I'm trying to.
and you left the store, and now you're here. Okay, do me a favor and turn off your car so I can hear you. Perfect. So my next question to you, ma'am, is have you been drinking today? You haven't been drinking today. Okay. Are you having a medical condition today or medical issue?
I'm just trying to get my prescription for something.
Okay. So would there be a reason that somebody would call and say that maybe you're stumbling around in Safeway? Okay.
I'm just trying to get my prescription.
Okay. So why'd you leave your wallet at the store?
I'm trying to get my prescription.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Because if you're getting prescriptions, it makes me ask, Are there medications you're on that maybe you haven't taken today?
I don't think there's medication.
Okay. Oh, okay. And I'm asking, is there any medical concerns that we'd have to be, like I
I have
asked
a
you?
seizure disorder.
What is it?
I have a seizure
Oh,
disorder.
okay. Well, that's good to know, because then that makes us wonder if they're seeing something, maybe at the store, maybe there's an incident that may have happened that you weren't aware of with seizures. I just have to ask. And that's the medical side. I can ask that. As an EMT, I can ask, was there any medical concerns that maybe you were feeling today?
Seizure disorder.
Okay. Were you, by chance, were you having anything of the sort when you were at the store? Because I've seen that, where people might be walking and all of a sudden they hit something and you don't realize it.
I don't think so, but I do have a seizure disorder.
Okay. And you're not feeling like you're having an incident right now between here and the store?
I don't think so,
Okay.
but it could be possible.
Okay, I'm asking just
I know.
to help you out. That's all.
Sir.
Just work with us, and I want to be as cooperative and helpful as I can with
I
you.
have a seizure disorder.
Perfect.
When officers asked her about drinking, she initially denied it, only to later admit she had a couple of glasses of wine, an understatement as her blood alcohol concentration later revealed.
Have you had any alcohol? Have you consumed any alcohol today?
Earlier today, I did. Yes.
Earlier today?
Earlier.
Like when you mean earlier? How earlier?
A couple hours ago.
A couple hours ago? How much did you drink?
A couple of glasses of wine.
Okay. And were you at home when you did this, or were you out? You were at home?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you have bad knees and you're convinced that your knees are going to keep you from performing the test,
I don't know. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, officer.
how about, are you able to stand on one leg?
I don't know. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you stand on one leg?
I don't know. Let's try it.
What? Okay. So,
Can you hold my phone, please?
sure I can. So if you're going to have her do that, if you're not going to have her do the walk and turn test because of her bad knees, then you need to know that because of her bad knees, you chose not to have her do this portion of it. But she's going to go ahead and try to do the one leg stand.
Okay.
Caught on camera, Hancock was visibly distraught and weeping during the arrest. She failed several sobriety tests in front of the officers, which were captured on the body cam, adding to the drama.
Keep both legs straight, point the toe of your raised foot down, look at the raised foot, and keep your arms to your side. It's gonna look like this. Okay, you're gonna pick one foot, hands down to your side, and you're gonna look down at your toes the whole time.
For how long?
Until I tell you to. Okay? I'm not done yet. That's all right. While in this position, count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop. It's going to look like this. While you're looking down at your toes, you do this 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Did you ask her, do you have bad ankles?
I have bad feet, bad ankles, I have everything.
Okay, how about those shoes? Are they pretty comfortable shoes? I'm just asking.
Yes.
Okay. Right. And out of both of your legs, which leg is the most
They're both bad.
Okay, which one
They're
is
both
not
bad.
as bad?
They're both bad.
Okay. Okay, so it's your choice what leg you're gonna raise. Okay?
Okay.
It's either the
They're
left or
both
the
bad.
right. Okay.
They're both bad.
Okay.
In a bid to mitigate the situation, Hancock mentioned her position a statement that didn't do her any favors, as she continued to fail the breathalyzer test. Hancock's blood alcohol levels to be well above the legal limit, reaching 0.219% at one point, qualifying her for the extreme DUI charge in Arizona 3.6.
So have you ever done one of these before, ma'am?
No.
Okay. So go ahead and explain to her how she's supposed to do it.
Okay, you get a steady pressure, steady flow for as long as I tell you to. It'll stop, okay? It's gonna be steady all the way through. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Have you ever blown up a balloon?
Yes.
Oh, an air balloon? So just do a steady breath of air just like that, like you're blowing up a balloon. Okay?
Okay.
Perfect.
I just can't go to jail.
No, we're not saying you're going to jail, man.
Could you take me home?
No, I don't know yet. This is up to the officers. So here's the deal, Mayor. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest with you. Okay, so I think your signs and symptoms are above the legal limit.
Okay.
Okay, and that's just based off of my experience.
That's fair enough.
The
Like,
legal
do
limit.
you know I'm a judge here?
You are?
Yeah.
Okay. For Yapa County?
Yeah. And I don't want to use that. I don't want to use it. I don't.
Okay.
I really don't. I really don't.
And I'm so, you know what? And my biggest
Don't. I haven't said that yet
Hold on.
today.
Hold on.
I
just
don't.
told them I'm a judge here. So
Oh, okay. Well, I apparently I apologize. I've never met you.
it's good that you never. No, I'm sorry. I f***ed it up.
You've been very
Don't.
sweet, and we appreciate that.
Don't. Because I f***ed it up. I'm just a normal person like everybody else. I'm just a normal person. Like,
I understand.
it shouldn't matter.
That's okay. We're just gonna have you sit in my patrol car for now, okay? Get you out of the weather.
Yeah, just so you're not getting water on you.
But
The rain.
don't treat me like in the video.
In May 2023, Hancock took a plea deal, pleading guilty to misdemeanor DUI, spending a day in jail, and paying a $1,650 fine. However, the plea also marked the end of her judicial career as Hancock resigned from her position as a judge, agreeing never to serve in that capacity again.